So first, we're gonna download data. We're gonna open it in Excel. Save as. First, we're gonna change all this data with the text to column. We're gonna use with the comma. Next, after we separate data, I'm gonna change the period to comma at this total amount span. Replace. Okay. Now we're gonna use the new column. We're gonna do the $25 voucher. If larger than 5, and also C2 have to be larger than 1000, will be 25, otherwise it's 0. And drag down. Okay. And then for the $20 voucher, if is for the environmentally conscious and also for the senior citizen will be 20, otherwise 0. Okay, back down again. Okay, lastly, for the 35 voucher, must be number of purchase is higher than 7, and then more than 500, and also they must be senior citizen. And 25, there was 0. Wait, there's an error. C2, on this one. Okay, drag down again. Then for the final voucher, this because this cannot be added up. For sure, you're gonna use max. Okay. Now We're gonna select all the data, insert pivot table. We're gonna put it here. We're gonna drag the customer type to rows. $25 voucher into value. $20 voucher into value two. $35 value into value two. And the final voucher into value. We're gonna change it to average. Now we can see the average voucher value for each consumer type based on each voucher category.